Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your study abroad network with Study Abroad 101, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current connections from your study abroad experience. Make a list of people you interacted with, including classmates, professors, and locals. Reach out to your former classmates through social media platforms. Use LinkedIn to reconnect with fellow students and professors in your field. Join alumni groups related to your study abroad program. Search for official pages or groups of your study abroad institution. Participate in online forums dedicated to study abroad experiences. Post in these forums looking for connections from your time abroad. Reconnect with locals you met by using social media. Look for community events or meetups for expats from your study abroad country. Create a dedicated email or message thread to organize your outreach. Draft a friendly message to send to your contacts. Mention specific memories or experiences to make your message more personal. Be clear about your intention of rekindling the connection. Ask if they know others from your program who you could reach out to. Consider scheduling virtual meetups or coffee chats to strengthen ties. Host a virtual reunion with your fellow study abroad participants. Encourage sharing of experiences and updates among your network. Utilize online tools like Zoom or Google Meet for interactive sessions. Keep the conversation flowing by asking open-ended questions. Share resources or opportunities that could benefit everyone. Compile a newsletter to keep your network informed about new developments. Make it a monthly or quarterly update to maintain engagement. Be proactive in keeping communication open and regular. Celebrate milestones within your group, such as new jobs or personal achievements. Remain open to forming new connections while reaching out. Be mindful of time zones when planning virtual meetups. Evaluate your network periodically to understand its growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.